Hey guys, it's Mark from Eggers and Bacon. I'm going to fill you in on chicken math. This is our story of chicken math and how we ended up with 110 chickens and 2 ducks. So it started out Mother's Day, Cal Ranch, free chicks if they're feathered. Don't fall for this. Started out with 4 chicks, quarter acre subdivision, no chickens allowed. We fell in love. So we knew that we couldn't get rid of those chicks if a neighbor complained or they made too much noise, so we started looking. We were going to get some property and build a house, and at the time prices were up to where it made it possible where we just sold that house, bought this house on just over an acre. We've got about 1.2 acres, and that's when the real chicken math started. So we were started with 4, then we went up to 8, then 12, somewhere up in the 40s. And then you start looking at all these eggs and the colors you want, up into the 60s. Sold a bunch down before last winter, and then we got this GQF incubator. So this year, we've hatched over 140 chicks this spring, and right now we're sitting at 110 chickens and 2 ducks. We've got chicks in the house, chicks in the garage, we've got grow-outs outside, meat birds are now outside, our laying flock, we've got 2 different breeding pens, 2 different roosters. Chicken math. It all starts with chicken math. In here, you guys are just a couple days old. We've got 22 chicks in here in our brooder. Last night. These guys were all 25 cents a piece, and we picked up 22 of them, and they're gonna go out hopefully tomorrow, this weekend sometime, because they're ready to go outside. Got 3 bantams in here, Old English, Dutch, modern game. We've got 20 birds out here total. I think 8 in this side. With our olive egger rooster. That's Blackbeard. Our black copper over this side. That's Sirius Black. With all of our Americanas. There's 12 over here. The 2 ducks. Come here, ducks. They're antisocial. And in the garage, we've got 23. In here, these guys are getting ready to go outside too. These are mostly olive eggers, olive egger back crosses. And these are the showbirds down here, the 4-H birds. There's Frodo. He's a Dutch. My daughter's other bird, Sweet Pea. Hi, Sweet Pea. Hi, girl. These guys stay inside for the winter because they can't handle our temperatures with
their combs, they get frostbite. So we built them this brooder here for the Dutch stay in the bottom, and then the top our chicks can hang out in until they are old enough to go outside. And that is how we ended up with 110 chickens and 2 ducks.